If you are looking to log in to your l.l.bean credit card but not sure how, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to log in into your l.l.bean credit card account online. So make sure to follow each step and watch until the end to learn the full process. First, open any web browser on your PC and in the URL bar, type l.l.bean credit card login and search. Click on the first result which says l.l.bean credit card login or apply. This will take you directly to the login page. Once you're on the login page, enter your username and password. If you've forgotten it, you can retrieve it by clicking on the Retrieve User ID or Reset Password option. For a more convenient login next time, you can check the Remember User ID box. However, if you are using a public or shared device, it's safer to leave this option unchecked. And finally, click the Sign On button to access your l.l.bean credit card account. And that's it. That's how easy it is to log in to your l.l.bean credit card account online. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.